Okay, so I did your requirement and now I'm going to show you how to go with miss how to make it available for anywhere in the world. Miss, it doesn't means any domain or anything. You can run this script anywhere. See, I am running this script on my local system. Okay, so this is my Active Directory account. I'm admin of this account. I'm a admin. Okay, so what the first thing you have to do, you have to do only one thing. This is the PowerShell script I'm going to send you. It will see, this is the MS Online, Microsoft Online module you need to install. You don't need to worry about this. It will automatically install the module if it's not available there. And if the script is giving you some errors, then you can uncomment it like this, and you can run the code again, and it will install the Azure AD. But I don't think this is required from my end. I don't need this in, but this is for the if you are getting some issues. Okay, so let's start now. First of all, what you need to do, this script need admin account credential in order to connect the Microsoft Online, because admin can only change the any user password. So you must log in with that account. In order to make it secure, what I did, I have added this line. I have commented this for now. What you need to do, you need to uncomment it like this and give a proper path here, because in my case it's a D path. So in my D drive, this is the path and this is the password text. Okay, so what it will do, you must log in with your admin. I repeat, you must log in with your admin. Just listen carefully. I don't want any unwanted revisions. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to select it like this, and don't click on here, click on here, run selection. This will play all the PowerShell script, but this will play only those lines which you have just selected. So just select it like this, run this, click on this, and log in with your credential. Let me log in with my credential. Sorry. This is my credential. No, sorry. Yeah. Here. Okay. Let me add. It's not taking. I don't know. Okay, now go with your password. This should be admin credential only. Okay, so as you can see, it's completed. Here it's completed. Now let me go and show you my password. It will be not a simple password. It is a secured password. So you don't need to worry about this. Okay, nobody can go and see your password. Okay, so this is purely secured. I did it to make your security, to ensure your security. So this is purely secured code. Anyone can see your password. Just save it in some place, as I did. I have saved here. So this line will create a text file with your secured password here. Anywhere where you define, this is a path. Now what you need to do, this is your script from here. Now in the code here, you need to here it's what is doing, it's setting your password. Okay, and this secured password is here, it's getting your secured password here, because you need to connect, right? So with this code, it's connecting your Active Directory, Microsoft Active Directory. It's with the help of password, with the help of this line of code. So in order to get your password, because it need credentials to connect, because you are not right in the domain, you are outside the domain. So you must need a password credential in order to connect. So just refer the same path here in this line. Okay, and it will convert your secure string and all, and it will connect with your Active Directory, and then it will check your title, display name, and email. If the password requirement is, I have just added all the requirements, password requirements. If not, it will give you an error message. So if everything is satisfied, it will go and change your password. Okay, So so now one more thing, just listen carefully this thing. Install module, this command might not work on your computer. In this case, you need to go and search here in the Google. Install module is not working or something, the error message you are getting on PowerShell. I'm just explaining you everything, okay? So install module not, then it will ask you then it will ask you to install some it will ask you to install some install some Microsoft framework, okay? And you can see here download module, no sorry. So it will tell you to install some micro framework which will recognize this install module. Otherwise you can't use this install module. Just paste your error message on Google. It will show you the help. It will give you the help, and it will help you to install modules. So I have already added that. Let me check if it's already there. That now I can't see it. Okay, so just type the error message here on Google, and it will help you to recognize this command, because this command also need some .NET framework 4.45 and above. So you must install this, then it will work. Otherwise not. So for me, it's already installed. So you need to install it, and then this command will work. Okay. So if this command module is not available on your PowerShell, it will automatically install. If available, it will not install. Okay. Same for this, but it's not required. Now let me show how it's working. Click on here. Now this is my test account, which I have created in order to show you. Add this and add password. If you will password, it will give you a error message like this. It will not, see, all the error message will show you. Now let me give you a required password and click on change. Okay, it has started running, as you can see here. It will take some time to change the password because it's connecting with your Microsoft. Congrats, your password is successfully. Just check it on your end and confirm it and let me know. Okay. In order to, if install module is not working, this command is not working, just write in the Google that this command is not working. Download a framework on your computer. It will ask you to download some framework, and then run this PowerShell script again. Okay, just check it properly before coming to me. In case of any issue, just let me know. I will resolve that. Okay, so I think I did give you enough explanation here. Okay, so yeah, everything fine. I have explained you everything. So you don't need to worry about the password. It's already secured password. No one can see it. So you can share this password if you are using it, the script in another computer. You can share this password too, and this script can run anywhere in this world, anywhere. Okay, so this script will work anywhere. Okay, so don't need to worry about that. Thank you. I'm going to send you the script.